Education and life in UK. UK has the world's oldest institutions and is one of the most popular destinations amongst students. The UK capital city, London, not by accident, is considered to be the world's capital city of higher education. With its 4 universities being ranked in the world's top 10, London has the highest number of top worldwide ranked universities per city. For an undergraduate course it usually takes 3 years to finish, while Scotland makes an exemption because it takes 4 years to finish an undergraduate course. If schools offer postgraduate degrees, they offer master's degrees, typically 1 year, sometimes 2 years if your degree is research-based. A number of qualifications are offered in the UK at undergraduate level: bachelor's degree, foundation degree, diploma of higher education, DIPHE, certificate of higher education and higher national diploma, HND. A bachelor's degree usually takes 3 years to complete for a full-time student. Students will commonly complete a program in a general area of study, and then select a specialization that is a major. A foundation degree combines academic coursework with practical, work-based learning with an employer. Students completing diploma of higher education or higher national diploma programs may similarly use these qualifications for entry into the 3rd year of a degree program. Diploma of higher education awards may be academic but are typically linked to a specific profession such as nursing or social work. HND programs offer studies in more general areas. SAT is the exam one needs to give to enter UK universities at undergraduate level, and also TOEFL or IELTS has to be given to prove English language proficiency. GRE is the exam one needs to give to enter courses at postgraduate level, and GMAT is the exam one needs to give to enter business schools. If you are not an EU student, then you will need a student visa to enter and study in the UK. When you are accepted into a UK institution, they will send you a reference number called your Confirmation of Acceptance of Studies, CAS. You will need this document to apply for your student visa. After you have received your CAS, there are some steps in applying for a UK student visa. Completing the online application form, and paying the application fee. Visiting a visa application center to have your fingerprints and photograph taken, and printing your application with supporting evidence. Your CAS form will contain details and critical information about the terms of acceptance into your study program, your tuition fees and your personal information. All students whose study program is longer than 6 months will need a Tier 4 General Student Visa. The UK immigration system is points-based, and in order to qualify for a Tier 4 visa you will need to score 40 out of 40 points. Both the information directly on your CAS and within the documents referenced by your CAS will be worth 30 points altogether. The last 10 points are earned from proof you will be able to support yourself financially whilst you study. You should apply for your Tier 4 visa no more than 3 months before the commencement date of your course, and no later than 6 months after you received your CAS from your host institution. Studying in the UK is very expensive. The total average cost of studying in the UK is estimated to be at least £22,200 per year, with studying in London likely to be significantly more expensive. The top universities in UK are University of Cambridge, University of Oxford, University of St Andrews, London School of Economics and Politics, Imperial College London. UK is also very expensive to live in, especially London. The average monthly cost one needs to incur in UK is approximately £1,300. The average salary a full-time employee gets in UK is £35,000 per year. UK has an own charm to it, with its rich history, culture and not to mention its great literature. The UK has narrow roads, small houses, and with the Brexit issue it may have become a little less popular. But despite this, no one can deny the fact that UK has a certain prestige and pride to it, much like Delhi or Mumbai. So that's it for today. If you found the video informative, do subscribe to our channel.